Spatial joints with clearance. Spherical joint with clearance. Where the relative motion between the ball and socket can be observed, namely, impact followed by rebound and continuous or permanent contact. Revolute joint with clearance. Where the relative motion between the journal and bearing can be observed, namely, impact followed by rebound, continuous or permanent contact. The journal misalignment can also be observed. Double pendulum with a revolute clearance joint. Translational joint with clearance. Thank you for watching.